Welcome to Abstalbras. In this video, I will show you how to enable Google Assistant on Android phone. To do that, go to Google Apps, select Google, press profile icon at the top right. Select Settings, press Google Assistant. Scroll down, select General, and from here you can enable or disable Google Assistant. Turn on. Once enabled, you can say, "Hey Google," and Google Assistant will respond. "Hey Google, open calculator." You can also go to Settings and search for Google Assistant. From the results, select Assistant Settings. Scroll down, General, and from here you can enable or disable Google Assistant. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.